Makalofalahi atu ki mutolu o sini sa pula venaka. Talofa lava, malo elele, kia ora ana, tapen, and warm Pacific greetings to you all. We're back with your favorite game show, How Fresh Are You? Yeah! I am your host, Simpal Lelisi, which means I am the judge, jury, executioner, everything except make the cup of tea. Let's meet our teams. To my right, your left, coming all the way from Samoan social media stars, the Sola sisters.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now, Serenity and Lina,
Yes.
do you guys have a team name, please?
So our name is the Sola Sissies.
Big hand for the Sola sisters. And to my left, your right, coming all the way from Fijians, we have Tuila and Hana Sotutu. Thank you for coming, ladies. Does your team have a name?
We are Team Uro.
Woo! Team Uro. Big hand, everyone. Okay, let's get to our first game, which is called Rapid Fire. Let's play Rapid Fire. Okay, this is a quick fire round. I ask the questions. If you know the answer, you can push the buzzer and you'll get the chance to answer. Thank you very much. You guys want to test your buzzer too? Excellent. Okay, first question. What is the capital of Fiji? I'll go with the Solar Sisters. That one there is pretty close.
The Samoans would like to say Suva.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Well done. The Solar Sisters takes first blood. Okay, second question. What do we call our New Zealand women's rugby team? Solar Sisters.
Women in black.
No. Team Uro?
Is it the Blackfoots?
Correct. Well done. Okay, 1-1. Nice comeback there. Next question. What is the name of the males that can perform a tawalunga in Samoan culture? Solar Sissies?
For gaming?
For gaming? For Team Uro? Would you like to reply? Do you have an answer?
I'm just gonna take a wild guess here. Males?
Males?
Yep.
You got the M right. The first part of it goes man. Is that it?
Manaya.
You got it right. Well done, Sola. It took a while, but we got there in the end.
Take it out.
Okay, question number 4. What is tapa, siapo, or in some places called masi made from? Solar Sisters.
Flour. And milk.
And wrong.
Sugar.
Sorry, that's wrong.
No.
Team Uro, do you have an answer?
Egg. Egg?
No. Tapa, you know, you like, yep.
Like treehouse.
Tree husk. You're close. Like the first part of that is right. If that's
Tree trunks.
tree. No.
Tree barks? Tree bark?
Tree bark. That is correct. Team Uro, you got it right. Go ahead. Final question. Tongan singer Dinah Jane sang her 2018 hit "Bottled Up" with which US rapper? Solar Sissies.
Ty Dolla $ign.
Ty Dolla $ign is correct. Congratulations, Solar Sisters, taking out the first round of Rapid Fire. Okay, our next game. Say my name. Say my name. This is the game where all the clues can be anything but the person's name. The teams will have 1 minute, and going first will be Team Uro. Please come receive your name. Woo. Good luck. And your 1 minute starts now.
You know clothing? The clothing?
Stay Walker.
Well done, pretty quick. Okay, come here, get your next name. Go.
Used to play for the All Blacks.
Richie McCaw, Kerry Weed.
Okay. Keep going. I think he's bald now. Is he bald? I think so. I don't know. I think he's a good stepper or something like that. Oh yeah, Nick, pass.
Next name.
Yeah, Nick.
Second to last name. Time's running out. Good luck.
He plays in Riverdale.
Oh, KJ Upper.
Well done. That was a quick one.
The name is a place. Oh, right. No, it's not a place actually.
Wrestler.
Yeah, it's a wrestler.
The Rock's cousin.
works because he's like.
I'm sorry, Team Oro. The name was Roman Reigns. Bad luck. Okay, let's see if the Sola sisters can do better.
What?
Lina,
Yes.
can you please come and get your name? Good luck.
Right.
And your time starts now.
Ooh, baby, yeah. He's a singer.
Yeah.
Singer.
Yeah.
Starts with a letter. Oh, I can't say starts with. Can't do starts with. Sorry. Second word part is like a dance. Shimmy. Like, oh, I want to go out and go have a little
Party.
No.
Dance. Boogie.
Yes.
Boogie.
Yes, but half that, like, take.
J-Boog. Yes.
Oh, that was a good one. Next.
I'm dancing, baby girl.
Yeah.
2 already.
Come on.
Oh, sorry.
Come on, it's
Sorry,
10
Lina.
seconds. Where they from?
Fiji.
Yes.
Sola sissies on fire.
Yeah.
Aquaman.
Jason Momoa. Do you got any more?
Sola sissies. It does already. Well done, Sola sissies, our winners for this round. Congratulations, here's your prize.
Thank you.
Well done. But everyone that comes on How Fresh Are You wins, so here you go, Team Oro. Thank you very much to Willa and Hana for joining us today, and to Serenity and Lina. Don't forget to join us again next week for another episode of
How fresh are you?